Poor construction of bridge, stalling lives and progress of two villages. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to Karbing Long Live. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. For people of interior areas, roads and bridges are directly linked to their source for survival, and the absence of these two provides a clear picture of the lack of development of those areas. The poor implementation of developmental works in Kakuti Kro and Sarthe Kro villages has further made their lives more painful and miserable. The poor construction of a bridge connecting the two villages has affected the lives of people of these two villages. The bridge constructed between the two villages has not been really made according to the requirements, and therefore people of these two villages have not been able to use it. The villagers themselves are bewildered about what to make of the standing bridge, as it only serves no purpose at all, and only standing like a monolith or something like that. The villagers told Karbing Long Live that their lives could have been better if the construction was completed or made according to the specification and requirements of the local area. Due to this, school children did not reach for the classes on time due to flooding and submerging of passage during monsoon seasons. The villagers have to face pain and hardship daily as they have to cross the river for their works and travel for marketing and other purposes.
Nito maromen mangke
Kakuti Kro. Kuso constituency nama puri ini.
Nito mangke
Fuluni constituency. Mate dakba border lasona hisab lobo. Langhin men border adim lobo.
Lasona hisab lobo. Fuluni.
Langhin Fuluni si puri loke di. Dak
apon mangke sinason no langhin le.
Hmm.
Nasi saratum none matak ko lasi nonatum la claim tap lo. La patangwan ke nito mangke dama rampok.
Meanwhile, local people of the area and two villages have urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for their intervention and visit and take urgent steps towards proper construction in order to solve their pain and hardships of communication. Sarpang Ring Ticket has report from Langhin for Karbing Long Live. In another development, the Karbi Cultural Society Dwarbaguri Zone has made a major reshuffle of its body. A new body elected will continue for 3 years. Our correspondent brings you this report. The reshuffle meeting, chaired by ex-president Rajan Hanse and assisted by Robinson Rongphar, was held at Dwarbaguri Sports Auditorium on Saturday. After long deliberation, Sonaram Singnar was appointed as the new president, while Bhimson Rongpi was appointed as vice president. Meanwhile, Robinson Rongphar and Borsing Ronghang were appointed as secretary and assistant secretary respectively.
Ini nilitum kecingwa alam thibang ke kedam tang ingkoi raner cap a conference alabang so a conference long nilitum pan labang so Dwarbaguri hawara mailo keja abang tubang ke ka lo hala so hu nilitum isi labang so arona ten pen labang so committee itu seng sedat ajoine pini nilitum labang so committee si seng
RG Sandongpar from Dolamara for Karbing Long Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. More updates after this break.
Karbi Anglong Morningstar FC will be back again from 8 November 2020. The Premier Club will be celebrating its 12th Foundation Day at its own campus ground, D2. Football lovers can join the blues.
Welcome back to Karbing Long Live after the break. Longkoi Tiso village headman Bimol Tiso and their family members have sought the assistance of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CAM Tuliram Ronghang for the medical treatment of his ailing mother Kanam Teronpi. Our correspondent has sent us this report. Located inside the Socheng Thenta MSC constituency, Longkoi Tiso village headman Bimol Tiso told Karbing Long Live that his mother has been ill and bedridden for more than 1 year. But due to lack of money, they have not been able to take her to hospital for her treatment. The village headman told Karbing Long Live that her mother is one important figure of their village and adjoining areas, as she is a traditional Dutch singer. The village headman said that he is extremely worried about her health, but is not able to do anything as he cannot afford her treatment. He informed that despite approaching concerned officials, his mother is close to 100 years but has never received old age pension nor widow pension or any assistance from the government.
Nili mengi bimordi sopu nili da sarti diso arong sarmalo nasi lapu nili pai kiso nili pai amen ke anam teron pipu nasi kiso kacelang dekhi aja ne lo kiso ningkan isi so selon nili pai kiso si tirok mat ipong tirok angke tawi aja ini si celang cede lo alang di nili pai kiso barpi barso semuanya damun barpi barso ta dak malo
Long to I pin bang long huta long the dead law. Okay, non skip bisa ke cici po. Tal high long the pin so kar pai tak me pin ba long the pin.
The village headman has also urged upon EM Kachirong Pipi for her assistance towards the treatment of his mother. Lobsing Terang from Rongmongwe, Karbeng Long Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for watching Karbeng Long Live.